Best Pickleball Paddles. Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling with weak shots, poor control, or not enough spin in your pickleball game? Many beginner paddles feel cheap and inconsistent, making it harder to improve your skills. If you want a paddle that delivers power, control, and spin without spending a fortune, the Selkirk Sport SLK Evo Pickleball Paddle could be exactly what you need. The Selkirk Sport SLK Evo Pickleball Paddle is a next-generation pickleball paddle designed for beginners and improving players. It combines power, control, and spin technology in a lightweight carbon fiber design. The G8 Power carbon fiber face delivers strong pop and excellent shot responsiveness. Its SpinFlex Plus textured surface helps create more spin for better serves and controlled shots. The XL elongated shape provides extra reach and added power during gameplay. Built with a polymer core that reduces vibration and improves comfort. Lightweight 8.1-ounce design keeps the paddle fast and easy to maneuver. Comfort grip handle offers better control during long matches. Perfect balance of power and touch for all-around performance. Pros: great mix of power and control. Excellent spin potential. Comfortable lightweight feel. Durable carbon fiber construction. Beginner-friendly but still competitive. Cons: may feel slightly head-heavy for some players. Not as advanced as premium pro-level paddles. Elongated shape may require adjustment for new users. This paddle is best for beginners, casual players, and intermediate athletes looking to improve their game. It's especially great for players who want extra reach, spin, and power without paying premium tournament-level prices. At around $79.99, the Selkirk Sport SLK Evo Pickleball Paddle offers excellent value. You get carbon fiber performance, spin technology, and reliable durability at a mid-range price point. Number 4. Meet the Enigma Proto Pickleball Paddle, a premium thermoformed pickleball paddle built for powerful shots, precise control, and maximum spin performance. Designed with raw carbon fiber and a 16mm core, it's made for serious players who want next-level gameplay. Features a thermoformed unibody design for extra durability and stability. Raw carbon fiber surface creates exceptional spin and ball grip. 16mm honeycomb polymer core improves control while reducing vibration. Balanced power and touch for aggressive and defensive play styles. Large sweet spot helps improve shot consistency and accuracy. Comfortable 5.5-inch grip provides better handling during long matches. USA Pickleball approved for tournament and competitive play. Lightweight yet solid construction keeps reactions quick at the net. Pros: excellent spin potential. Strong power with impressive control. Premium thermoformed build quality. Large sweet spot for consistent shots. Tournament-ready performance. Cons: higher price than beginner paddles. May feel slightly heavy for some casual players. Advanced features may be unnecessary for complete beginners. This paddle is ideal for intermediate to advanced players who want stronger spin, better shot control, and competitive level performance. It's especially great for players who enjoy aggressive gameplay and fast net action. At $129.99, the Enigma Proto Pickleball Paddle delivers premium features like thermoformed construction, raw carbon fiber, and tournament-ready performance, making it a strong value for competitive pickleball players. Number 3. Introducing the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle, a high-performance pickleball paddle designed in the USA with raw carbon fiber technology for powerful shots, advanced spin, and excellent control. Built with T700 raw carbon fiber for enhanced spin and consistent shot accuracy. Available in multiple performance options including power, control, and thermoformed pro models. 18K Ultraweave carbon fiber surface improves feel and touch during rallies. Thermoformed construction increases durability and paddle stability. XL elongated shape provides extra reach and more power on drives. Polymer RevCore technology helps absorb vibration for smoother gameplay. Lightweight 8-ounce build offers quick reactions and fast hand speed. Comfort grip handle improves control during long competitive matches. Pros: excellent spin capability, strong balance of power and control, premium raw carbon fiber surface, comfortable lightweight feel, great value compared to expensive pro paddles. Cons: elongated shape may take time to adjust to, less forgiving for total beginners. Some advanced players may want even more power. This paddle is perfect for intermediate and advanced pickleball players who want better spin, control, and reach. It's especially great for competitive players looking for premium performance without spending over $150. At around $78.99, the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle delivers impressive value. You get raw carbon fiber technology, thermoformed performance options, and tournament-ready features at a very competitive mid-range price. Number 2. Introducing the MTEN Pickleball Paddle Set, a beginner-friendly pickleball paddle set designed for fun, comfort, and reliable performance. With a fiberglass surface and USAPA approval, it's a great choice for casual and new players. USAPA-approved design makes it suitable for official gameplay. Fiberglass paddle surface provides a nice balance of power and control. Available as single paddles or complete 2 or 4 paddle sets. Lightweight construction helps improve swing speed and comfort. Polypropylene honeycomb core reduces vibration for smoother shots. Comfortable 4.57-inch grip helps reduce hand fatigue during long games. Wide paddle face creates a larger sweet spot for beginners. Durable build quality designed for indoor and outdoor play. Pros: affordable beginner-friendly price, lightweight and comfortable to use. Large sweet spot improves consistency. Great starter set for families or friends. USAPA approved for recreational tournaments. Cons: less spin potential than carbon fiber paddles. Not ideal for advanced competitive players. Durability may not match premium paddles. This paddle set is perfect for beginners, casual players, families, and anyone starting pickleball for the first time. It's also great for schools, community centers, or players who want an affordable complete set. At just $34.29, the MTEN Pickleball Paddle set offers excellent value. You get multiple paddles, comfortable performance, and USAPA-approved quality at a very budget-friendly price. Number 1. Introducing the Joola Ben John's Hyperion CFS Pickleball Paddle, a professional-level pickleball paddle designed with champion player Ben Johns for maximum spin, control, and competitive performance. Carbon friction surface technology creates incredible spin and shot precision. 16mm reactive honeycomb core delivers a soft feel with excellent control. Elongated handle design is perfect for two-handed backhands. Aero curve head design improves swing speed and reduces drag. Textured high-grit surface enhances spin on serves and dinks. Carbon fiber frame provides strength, durability, and stability. Large sweet spot helps improve shot consistency during fast rallies. USAPA approved for professional tournament play. Pros: outstanding spin and ball control. Premium pro-level performance. Excellent touch for soft shots and resets. Comfortable elongated grip. Durable high-quality construction. Cons: expensive compared to beginner paddles. Slightly heavier feel for some players. Requires skill to fully maximize performance. This paddle is best for intermediate to advanced players who want elite-level spin, control, and competitive performance. It's especially ideal for players who use two-handed backhands or aggressive spin-heavy gameplay. At $159.95, the Joola Ben John's Hyperion CFS Pickleball Paddle is definitely a premium paddle, but it delivers tournament-ready quality, advanced spin technology, and pro-level control that serious players will appreciate. If you want pro-level pickleball performance, check the link in the description to learn more about the Joola Ben John's Hyperion CFS Pickleball Paddle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more pickleball gear reviews and recommendations.